one. James. Is vain but lots of fun. Percy. Pulls a